Hello all, I've just finished the fifth step and it's getting on, well I've only got an hour of daylight left now, so I've just mixed up first barrel of concrete, got the second one in the mixer. I've just turned that off to make the audio a little more, or a little less painful for you guys. So first barrel is going in. I think it's going to be 3 barrelfuls. I want it about 100 mil. I'm going to tamp it, then float it with a plasterer's trowel. I'm not that fussed on it, but I may as well get it somewhere nice. So I'll do that. I'll chuck this in and then get the mixer going. So apologies for the noise, it's not the most relaxing. I need to get this in without spoiling my wall. I'm going to have a brick on end floor. Might have some quarry tiles, I'm not sure. I've got both around the back in my little reclamation yard, so I've got both. I can decide. I'll probably lay them out, see what looks best, but I think it's going to be bricks. Concrete mix I'm using is 5:1, 12 full shovelfuls of ballast, half a bag of cement. I don't like cement. I only tend to use it for concrete like this. I try and steer clear of it as much as I can. I use lime, NHL 2 or 3.5 depending what the application is. So I've just got the second barrel full. I will probably stop you now. There's no point you listening to me filling a mixer. So I'll stop you there. Carry on in a bit. Well, that's the third barrow, and it's not enough, so it's going to be 4 after all. Got one more to do. Another 12 shovels, half a bag, and then I'll start to tamp it, level it out. Tom Lamb, I watch you, and I know with concrete comes cats. You don't know how easy you've got it with David the cat. I've got 2, so I'll show you tomorrow how many paw prints there are in this concrete. I'm guessing there'll be more than 2 pairs. I say pairs, 2 cats worth. So I'll check the paws tomorrow and I'll show you. Right, last mix. There can't be any more than 1 because I've probably only got another 10-12 shovels of ballast in the bag. So quite happy because it means I've used all of it, but I'm not happy because I'm really hot. I've mixed this fairly fast and I'm hot. But it's, what is it, mid-November. I can't grumble. It's been lovely. It's been dry, it's been mild, so which is why I'm still doing lime work, covering it all. So it's all good here. Not one to grumble about the weather. Let's do it. Right, last barrow. If any of them go over, it's going to be this one because it's heavy. It's a little bigger than the others I've done, so I'm filming. So if it goes over, you can all have a laugh and make fun of me to the heart's content. No pressure. Come on. Well, I'll take that any day. Right, so trowel that. I don't know if I told you. Ooh, I hurt my finger about a month ago. Being a bloke, didn't go to the doctor or anything, but I think it was broken and it's really hurting me. If I knock it, it hurts. Anyway, enough moaning. No one's listening. Keep going. Right, clean up time. And then in, half an hour, 3/4 of an hour, I will float that off properly. In fact, I'm going to do it once now, but it looks alright to me. And see you in a bit. Right, mix is clean, barrow's clean, everything's tidied up, light's going. Last job of the day is to float this with me plastering trowel. Like I say, doesn't need to be perfect because there's going to be bricks on top of it, but the better I can get it, the easier it gets me for setting the bricks. I'll probably do them on a dry bed of lime and sand, this sand I've got here, so I'll do it the best I can, and then I'll cover it in hessian. Actually, I probably won't cover it in a hessian, just for a laugh, and see what the cats do tonight on it. I'm going to leave it open. Right, here we go. Right, it's close enough for me now. I'll rinse this off and see what the lads do in the morning, or see what the lads do overnight, and I'll show you first thing in the morning what paw prints. I probably haven't mentioned before, over there, other side of the property, 5 or 6 years ago, it was in COVID, first year of COVID I think, so what was that, 2019, the spring maybe of 2020, me and my mate sunk a septic tank and I don't know, fairly big soakaway, like a swimming pool size, but soakaway, I think. I don't know if it's 12 cubic meters, I can't remember. Anyway, I've put a catch gully, what they call sediment trap thing there, concreted that in, and then the morning after was quite nice because I had a big bird foot print, I guess pheasant or something like that. I had badger prints and I had cat prints all within about a square foot, so probably not expecting badgers here tonight. They're a bit further over that way, well, and that way, probably not as close to the house, but I'm certain we're going to have cat prints. Anyway, I'll clean this trowel, and that's me for another day. See you tomorrow. Morning all, it's the morning after the concreting, and I've just come to have a look at paw prints. I said I'd show you. I'm surprised how few there are in the concrete, but there are some. Don't know if you can see them one. Oh no, there are more. I guess there's a few cats worth there. So they didn't let me down. I thought they might have got the mates over and had a bit of a party and a dance on there, but no.